Hello, Charlie. Glad to
Hello.
meet you
Hola.
here in Auroville.
Oh, it's so good to be here.
So, my first question is, why you here?
I came to India for Bhumi Festival in New Delhi, which is a festival celebrating the diversity on Earth and specifically with regards to food production and where we get our food. And it was organized by Vandana Shiva and Navdanya, which is her farm up in Dehradun. And originally I was just here to play at that and to play at Vandana's farm. But all through my travels in the last few years, I kept hearing of this place called Auroville and this community that I had to go and see. And I thought, well, when I'm in India, I just have to come here and see what it's all about.
Just one thing, you are a musician or you are a permaculture musician?
I'm a permaculture musician. Yeah, I'm not very good at either of them, but together I'm okay.
What it means exactly, permaculture in music?
Well, I think it's a genre that I might have invented, actually. But no, that's not true, actually. My teacher, a woman called Robin Francis, who I studied with a couple of years ago at a permaculture college called Janbung Gardens in Australia, she introduced the concept to me while I was doing a permaculture course that music was a very powerful way to teach and learn. And she showed us some of her songs that she'd recorded about guerrilla gardening and growing food and stuff, you know, with her band about 10 years ago. And we were all just like, wow, that's really cool. Like, it's kind of strange, but cool. And so during my course, you know, we were learning all about food production and agroecology and regenerative design, and the principles just really resonated with me so much that I thought, well, the world needs to know about this stuff, you know, like I'm learning about permaculture, but we need everybody to learn about. And the word permaculture isn't so important. I just want to say, you know, it can mean agroecology, it can mean regenerative design. It's the principles. And so I was really interested in the principles of permaculture. And one of our tasks in the course was to present a principle of permaculture in a creative way. And my friend said, hey, you've got a ukulele, why don't you write a song? And I thought, nah, no one's going to want to listen to a song about permaculture, but she made me do it, and so that's where it began, and then I just started writing songs about the permaculture principles. So
it means that tonight you're gonna play in Sadhana Forest?
I'm here at Sadhana Forest, yeah, and we're going to make a show.
It will be at I think 7:30. We can say in Sadhana Forest.
There's
tonight,
dinner 7:30 and then a show
on Saturday the 5th. We are the 5th. Maybe on Saturday.
Yeah.
Anyway,
if you hear this in time, you can still make.
And what is the kind of program you want to give to the audience?
So I just like to start with a little bit of an introduction to permaculture, not anything too deep, because, you know, it's about the music, and to me the music communicates the ideas. So I talk a little bit about the introduction and maybe do a bit of a rap or a rhyme about what permaculture is. And then usually I tour with my band, which is Formidable Vegetable Sound System, and that can be anywhere from 3 to 8 people depending on who's available. And we play, like, I call it ecological electro swing, because I play a ukulele, which I've got right now, and I also produce beats in a style that's sort of like jazz manouche but with a beat, so electro manouche swing. And
Django Reinhardt.
Yeah, like Django Reinhardt, but in a nightclub. So sometimes we have trumpet and trombone and drums and clarinet and all sorts of things, but for now it's just me. So I'll be playing my ukulele and the beats, and hopefully it'll be a bit of a dance party. So.
But you have a band in Australia?
In Australia.
You're coming from Australia?
I'm from Australia, yeah. I'm from the west part of Australia, from a small part of Perth called Fremantle. And but most of my band is